What book you reading?
America's First Daughter.
Is it any good?
It's really good.
Yeah, perfect day for
I
it
could
too.
say the same as my butt.
What's the matter?
It's not very comfortable.
Really?
Yeah.
I'll switch to the rocker chair. Right here, got a nice rocking chair. That might help out.
Whoa.
A little bit better, right?
A little bit. Just wanna lay down.
Lay down. I think I might have an idea, but I'm gonna need the boys' help. Hey boys! Your mother needs our help! Grab some shoes, we're going outside. I got the helpers, and you know what they're gonna help me do? They're gonna help me put up this nifty hammock.
Oh, wow.
Well, that's a nice carrying case, isn't it? Nice pouch.
Oh, look.
Yeah, instructions. Got your straps, and that'll be our hammock right there, isn't it? That is a nifty blue, isn't it? I like that color. Oh, that's neat. Guess what? The pouch is part of the hammock, so you don't accidentally lose it.
Oh.
Well, you're gonna go and pick 2 trees. You find 2 trees? All right, so we got our 2 trees. Go ahead and get the strap ready. And these straps are really long, so we could have probably strung it up between the other 2 trees. But we're gonna do that, and you know what? We got all this extra rope, we're gonna wrap it around the tree. So we don't need all that. So you want to try it tight. Right through. All right. Come here. Come on this side. Come on this side.
Where's Kaden?
This is a nice camping hammock. Okie dokie. Open it up because I don't want to drop you on the ground. That'd be bad. There we go. How's that feel?
So like
That's kind of nice, isn't it?
Maybe a pillow and blanket out would be perfect. Where did Colton go?
Just open it up, dear. Put your tushy in there. Make sure you pull it behind your back because when you lean back, you don't want to fall. Perfect. Look at that. Now, how is that?
Very comfortable. Oh. Wow. It's actually pretty comfortable.
The proper way to get in it, like you're doing, is pull the side down, put your butt in there, and then before you lean back, you want to make sure the other side is. There you go. What do you think, Caden? Nice and comfortable, right? That's really lightweight material. I guess that breathes pretty well, doesn't it? Yep, just pull that side down, and before you lean back, there you go, spread it open. Perfect. Look at that. Well, you can rock yourself, or Caden can give you a nice little boost. So is that comfortable for you too? So you got a really long strap that you can wrap around the tree. And you got all the little loops on the one side that you can use to connect the hammock to. So depending on how far apart the tree is, you can probably bridge the gap with the hammock, no problem. Now that Mommy's done reading and it's time to make dinner, it's time to put the hammock away. Didn't have to worry about losing the pouch because it's attached to the hammock, which is really awesome. Time to get the straps. So what do you think? Much nicer than the chairs?
Definitely. Lightweight, comfortable. Rock if you want.
Uh-huh.
I could have fallen asleep in there.
Yeah, you know that's a camping hammock. You could technically use that to sleep in at the next camp out for scouts versus sleeping on the ground on a sleeping bag.
Good. Or just to relax for an afternoon. Either way works. If you want this, click on the link below.
Don't forget to follow us on Facebook and Instagram, Twitter, and TikTok. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe. What will happen last time? What will happen next time? Don't forget cool extras. Yay!